Well. Good afternoon, racing fans. Well, moving forward. Now inside and the race is on. Well, rushing up by the red spur for ribbon. Extraordinary golden class headline chaser. Time to shine, Dad, is the early trailer. Well, by about 3 lengths, followed by purple ribbon by the rail. Alongside his headline chaser, extraordinary golden class. Time to shine, Dad, is running by the rail 6. And inside the last 900, well, by about 2 lengths, purple ribbon. The favorite running in second. Headline chaser is racing in third, and 4 lengths, cornerback fourth, extraordinary. Time to shine, that golden class. And rounding the far turn, well, by about 2 lengths, getting closer, is purple ribbon as they race the final corner. Well, this time by about 3 lengths, purple ribbon is running in second, headline chaser. Last 150, well, by about 4 lengths, purple ribbon. And nearing the finish line, it's a scintillating run. Coming from well, purple ribbon, headline chaser, extraordinary. Time to shine, that golden class, completing the cast of this race.